I am Amber. I see you are looking for a remote work job in 2024. Imagine your office anywhere you want it to be, without compromising on your career growth. Instead of inundating you with a confusing and exhausting list of remote work jobs, we will focus on just 3 highly respected companies that now have immediate openings in 2024. So, if you're ready to explore these remote work opportunities, let's look at 3 highly respected companies that allow you to work from anywhere in the world in 2024 and that are hiring now. First on our list is FluentU. This platform is revolutionizing the way we learn languages online. FluentU offers an array of remote positions, from content creators to language coaches, giving language enthusiasts a chance to work from any corner of the globe. Next up is Static Media. This digital media company is a powerhouse in producing engaging content across a variety of platforms. Static Media offers remote opportunities in content creation, social media management, video production, and much more. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or a digital marketer, Static Media has a place for you. Before we head to our last company, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring new remote job opportunities that are hiring now on a regular basis. Last is Kraken. Diving into the world of digital currencies, Kraken is a global Bitcoin exchange that's making waves. Known for their security, reliability, and innovation, Kraken is on the hunt for remote workers who are passionate about the future of finance. They offer a wide range of positions, from software development to customer support, all with the flexibility of working from anywhere in the world. As you can see, remote work opportunities are abundant across a broad range of industries hiring now and waiting for you in 2024. So start exploring your remote work opportunities today. Stay tuned for remote work jobs now hiring. Thanks for watching.